Over the past decades, Turkey has transformed from a regional power dependent on foreign weapons into a global defense powerhouse capable of building a superpower-level war machine. This transformation did not occur overnight, but rather was the result of a deliberate, visionary, and determined national strategy to reclaim technological sovereignty. Today, Turkey's name is synonymous with cutting-edge defense innovation, from next-generation drones to stealth fighters, main battle tanks, submarines, and artillery systems. Turkey has created a defense ecosystem that no longer imitates other countries, but sets new standards. This determination led to the establishment of the Defense Industries Presidency (SSB), which coordinates hundreds of local defense projects. Companies such as Baykar, ASELSAN, ROKETSAN, HAVELSAN, Altay, and MKE are united under a single vision to transform Turkey into a fully independent defense power. By 2030, perhaps the most iconic symbol of Turkey's military resurgence is its drone fleet. What started as a simple UAV project has evolved into a global phenomenon. The Bayraktar TB2, developed by Baykar, has become a legend after proving its dominance in various conflict zones. This drone demonstrated that even a mid-range drone could neutralize tanks, air defenses, and entire battalions with precision-guided munitions. Building on this success, Turkey launched the AKINCI, a high-altitude, long-endurance combat drone equipped with a heavy payload and smart munitions. Then came the KIZILELMA, a jet-powered, stealthy, carrier-based unmanned combat aircraft, a direct challenge to systems like the US MQ-25 or the European Neuron. With drones like the ANKA-3 and KIZILELMA, Turkey entered the era of unmanned air superiority, positioning itself as one of the world's top 3 nations in drone technology on land. Turkey has redefined modern land warfare. The Altay main battle tank represents the country's most advanced armored platform, designed with domestic armor, a domestic fire control system, and a local propulsion system. The Altay combines speed, survivability, and digital combat integration. Complementing these tanks is the T-155 Fırtına self-propelled howitzer, which offers superior range, precision, and firepower. Its latest variant, the Fırtına 2, features enhanced automation and digital targeting, making it one of NATO's most advanced artillery systems. Turkish defense giant MKE has also unveiled a new generation of sniper rifles, machine guns, and anti-materiel weapons, most notably the MKE-408 and KNT-859, which are hailed as some of the most lethal sniper rifles in the world. The sea has always held strategic significance for Turkey. Through its ambitious Blue Homeland Mavi Vatan doctrine, the country seeks to control and defend its maritime zones in the Aegean, Mediterranean, and Black Seas. Turkey's naval industry has produced innovative projects such as the TCG Anadolu, the world's first light aircraft carrier and drone carrier, the Milgem-class corvettes and frigates, built entirely in Turkey and exported to countries such as Pakistan and Ukraine. MILDEN. Turkey's national submarine program marked the beginning of full underwater autonomy. These programs not only enhanced Turkey's defense capabilities, but also projected power across vital maritime corridors, strengthening its influence from the eastern Mediterranean to the Red Sea. The seeds of Turkey's defense revolution were sown in the early 2000s, when the country faced numerous international arms restrictions. Western suppliers refused to sell critical components or impose stringent export requirements. For most countries, such embargoes would have meant paralysis. For Turkey, they were the spark of liberation. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and defense officials viewed these restrictions not as a setback, but as a national awakening. Turkey adopted a new doctrine: we will never again beg for weapons. We will build them. The Khan stealth fighter jet TFX, developed by Altay, made its maiden flight in 2024. It represents the pinnacle of Turkish aerospace engineering, a 5th generation, twin-engine, stealth fighter designed to replace the F-16 and rival the F-35. Equipped with indigenous avionics, an ASELSAN radar system, and air-to-air missiles developed by Tubatak Sage and ROKETSAN, the Khan represents Turkey's leap toward superpower-level technology. The jet is designed for both manned and unmanned configurations, laying the groundwork for eye-assisted aerial combat. Furthermore, Turkey's ongoing cooperation with countries such as Qatar, Azerbaijan, and Pakistan ensures that the Khan will not only defend Turkey, but will also fly under the flag of allies, expanding Ankara's aerospace influence. Turkey's missile development program has also been rapidly accelerated. ROKETSAN now produces a wide range of precision-guided systems, from short-range TRG rockets to long-range, Atmaka anti-ship missiles and SAM cruise missiles capable of striking targets over to 150 kilometers away. The Gezgin long-range cruise missile and the upcoming Cyper air defense system further enhance Turkey's deterrence capabilities, providing multi-layered protection from drones to ballistic missiles beyond Earth. Turkey is also investing heavily in space and satellite technology through Turksat and Deltov Space Technologies, which aim to build a national space launch system and indigenous satellites to ensure independence in communications and surveillance. Turkey's defense transformation is not just military but economic. In 2024 alone, Turkish defense exports surpassed $6 billion, with products sold to more than 170 countries. Turkish-made drones, armored vehicles, and precision weapons are now standard equipment across Africa, Asia, and Eastern Europe. This success has made defense not only a strategic necessity, but also a pillar of economic growth, driving research, jobs, and international partnerships. Turkey's rise has changed the dynamics of the global military. Once considered a dependent NATO member, Turkey is now an independent power shaping the geopolitical landscape in the Middle East, the Caucasus, the Balkans, and Africa. By developing its own superpower war machine, Turkey has proven that technological dominance is not limited to a handful of Western powers. Its journey demonstrates how national determination, strategic investment, and innovation can propel a nation from dependence to dominance. Turkey's story is a story of transformation born of embargo, driven by ambition and realized through innovation. Every new system, from the KAAN fighter jet to the KIZILELMA drone, from the Mildan submarine to the Altay tank, tells the story of a nation that refuses to be limited by others. Today, Turkey no longer seeks permission to defend itself. It is building its own future one machine at a time, and with each creation, it inches closer to a new reality. Turkey, the creator of a superpower war machine. Superpower war machine.